Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi issues, Wi-Fi not working, disconnecting, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general, go down, go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap here, tap on this reset, tap on reset network settings, tap here, enter screen lock password, tap on this reset network settings. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, apps, anything. It just reset only the network settings, including Wi-Fi settings. That's all. Tap on reset network settings. Please wait. Okay, reset operation has been completed. Enter screen lock password. Done. After this reset operation, we can check Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi should work. This way we can reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.